Hello friends, welcome to my Hail Happy Healthy YouTube channel, and today I want to show you about my little backyard, and it has so many mint leaves as you can see here. I was doing organic gardening, and as I say that get ready and garden. So this is what you can see, so many mint leaves over here, and they've come up so well. And now I'll be showing you, it's all over. The mint leaves are all over. So even they've been coming up here.
Which one is this? Which one is this?
Some mint leaves have come up here also. And it just looks so beautiful. So here I just planted some, I just started with organic gardening. And I planted some onion stems as you can see, and I'm going to water it now. Just look at this, the onion stems over here, and I'm going to water it and see how beautiful it is. Just wishing that it'll grow up very soon, because it doesn't take much time to grow, I've heard. So, and then I'm going to go with the other things, like maybe some basil leaves, some coriander, and I'm going to go for organic gardening. Just a beginning of it. So let's hope it goes well. As I always say, involve your children with playing and learning how to garden. So here's my son, he's just picked up a mint leaf and he wants to play with that in the pool, in the small backyard pool that he's having. So it's a lot of fun. Children know how about organic gardening, they learn from you, and it's really a very good thing. That, as I say in my Healthy Breakthrough project, which is all about being at home with your family and making things look fun. So this is one more thing of it. Yeah. So waiting for the next, my onion stems to grow up, and I just hope they come up very soon and I can show you, and I can use them for my cooking. I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, this time it's all very green all over in the backyard. Looks really fun. More to come, friends. Bye for now.